This is the dream of every actress, a star trophy. And the roster for our Movie Actress of the Year is very remarkable. Let us watch the powerful performances of our actresses for the year.
For Movie Actress of the Year, Gina Alajao, Monday first screening.
Gusto mong ipamukha sa akin na hindi ako karapat-dapat na magkaroon ng kasama sa bus.
Nora Honor,
Yung ano ko, papatayin mo ako. Papatayin mo ako.
Catherine Bernardo, A Very Good Girl.
Wala ako titira sa'yo.
Sharon Cuneta, Family of Two.
Nasaktan ako.
Ma! Usap naman tayo.
Hindi ako tanga.
Ma, alam ko naman yan. Hindi ko naman iniisip yan sa'yo.
Pero dun sa ginawa mo, parang gano'n na nga.
Ay de las Alas, Litrato.
Yung litrato ng anak ko at yung apo ko, hindi ko na matatandaan kung saan ko nailagay.
Alessandra De Rossi, What If?
I don't even know how to take care of anything or anything. I just don't deserve to be in any relationship.
Gladys Reyes, Apag.
Isa ako pa magsampang kaso.
Marian Rivera, Rewind.
May ano ba talaga ako?
Paano ako?
Alam mo yung pakiramdam na gusto ko ulit mabuhay?
Maricel Soriano, In His Mother's Eyes.
Gusto ko kasi. Kung ano mo pwede, hindi ko pwede gawin para sa anak ko.
And Vilma Santos, When I Met You in Tokyo.
Aray! Aray! Ilang beses ko ba sinabi sa'yo kung kaya ko?
Ruho ka talaga.
Ang hirap naman mamili. PMPC, how did you do this? Ang hirap! And the grand reveal is about to unfold. And the star movie actress of the year is... Sabay-sabay na ba tayo? Kinakabahan kasi ako.
Okay, let's do this. The star for Movie Actress of the Year goes to... For the very first time in Philippine Awards history, we have a triple tie! Congratulations!
Congratulations to our national artist, Nora Honor, for piano.
And Diamond Star, Miss Maricel Soriano! And Miss Mother's Eye.
And we say congratulations to the star for all seasons, Miss Vilma Santos, for When I Met You in Tokyo.
Presenting the trophies from the PMPC, our PMPC President Rodel Fernando, with additional prize of 25,000 for each from Playtime, presented by Playtime's Ambassadress, Binibini Pilipinas, Samantha Acosta, and Playtime Lead Marketing, Jan Yamago.
First time in awards history, we got a triple tie for our Movie Actress of the Year. Congratulations once again to Miss Nora Honor, Miss Vilma Santos, and Miss Maricel Soriano.
excited ako. Kasi matagal kami hindi. Tagal na nga, ano ba yun? Nagsisipisa na kami dalawa. Maraming salamat. Sa tatlong award na natanggap ko rin ito. Salamat sa PMPC. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga fans. Maraming salamat kay Papa Gary. Siyempre, hindi ko naman in-expect ito. Alam ko, si Ate yan, si Ate Gaya ang mananalo dito. Ay, nasali ako. Napakaswerte ko naman. Unang-una gusto kong pasalamat sa mga kasama ko sa trabaho. Siyempre, namumuna na dyan yung matangkad, matangos sa ilong, at mistiso siya. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Rocky Paula. Dahil aking dalawang to, alam mo yan, diba? At syempre po sa aming staff and crew, maraming salamat sa kanila. At syempre po, hindi makakalimutan ang aming magaling na direktor, si F.M. Reyes. Direk, maraming salamat for bringing the best in me. Salamat talaga. Para sa inyo to, mga may diferensya. Maraming salamat sa PMPC talaga. At syempre sa aming producer, si Flor, sis, eto, nagmihilagyan na rin. Sa wakas, di ba? Maraming salamat din sa'yo. At syempre yung aking anak doon, si LA. LA, congratulations. Para sa iyo din to, anak. Salamat po.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Di po nakapunta si Ate V tonight at masama po ang pakiramdam. Kaya nagpapaumanhin po siya sa inyong lahat. On behalf of Ate V, I would like to receive this award for her. It has been a great pleasure working with Ate V in our first movie venture. We are so lucky to have her in this film. We learned a lot from her. She has been helping us, guiding us, along with Boyet De Leon, every aspect of making this movie possible. Her many years of experience and dedication in her craft and support in this industry has really helped us make this film successful. We are forever be grateful to her and Boyet for taking the risk in accepting our movie project. We at JJ Productions, as a new producer, appreciate this kind of award giving body in recognizing our efforts, hard works, and financial risk. Hence, we will continue to produce more movies in order to support this industry. Thank you so much to the men and women behind PMPC Awards, and more power to you. I would like to take this opportunity also to thank my partners, Rajan and Kay, and our EP Regina Magno, who's not here also tonight. She's out of town. And to all men and women behind making, tirelessly work for making this movie possible. Thank you so much to all our stars and supporting actors. We appreciate you all. Ate V, congratulations for this third Best Actress Award in our movie when I met you in Tokyo. You really deserve it and get well soon. Thank you, Lord. Nagpapasalamat po ng taos-puso si Ate V sa patuloy na pagbibigay po ng pugay sa kanyang craft. Hindi po siya nakapunta ngayong gabi, pero malaking pasasalamat po sa mga pabubuo ng PMPC. Salamat po sa recognition na ito. Thank you very much and good night everyone.
Sa lahat po ng karangalan na binigay sa akin ngayong gabi, nais ko lang po magpasalamat sa ating Panginoon na hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin ako pinapabiyaan. At syempre, yung mga mahal sa buhay, hindi dahil sa kanila, siguro walang marunong talaga sa akin. Ano, hindi pwede mo wala kay Pagkita. Wala talagang nakakapuwing, tandaan nila. Maraming salamat at congratulations. Tagal namin hindi nagkita eh. Congratulations at B. Mami, congratulations. Ang daming dalo. Salamat po.
What a night! This 40th edition of the Star Awards for movies is really for the books. History at its finest.
At muli, congratulations po to all of our nominees and winners. You have made all of us proud in the industry. You brought back to life in every cinema ang ating mga pelikulang Pilipino. We are on track again.
I love it. We are on track. Thank you to the Philippine Movie Press Club for this annual tradition of the Star Awards. Thank you to our producers, our mommy, Tessie Celestina Howard, our favorite of Airtime Marketing Philippines Incorporated, and Sir Vince Mariano of Precision Digital. A big shout out to our director, one of her favorites, Direk Eric Quizon. Good job, Direk. You also have made everyone proud right here.
Thank you to all our filmmakers who never gave up, whatever the challenges we have faced, and continue to make beautiful movies. The industry is indeed alive again, and we have you to thank for.
And of course, we will never forget to thank our moviegoers who are the local cinema's lifeblood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat as we start TMPC's countdown to the golden year of Star Awards.
10 years na lang. To God be the glory, and this has been the 40th Star Awards for movies. Good night.